YouTube, what is up? Oh man. Look, this isn't a how-to video. I wanted to do that originally, but with me breaking my leg and pretty much being on bed rest for like the last 2 months, I just wanted to get this boat done. I wanted to do a how-to like series and show you guys step by step, but you know what? This is my first build. I love fishing. I want to go fishing, so I just wanted to knock it out. It's warming up over here in Michigan. It's almost time to get out there, man, and I wanted to wrap it up. Last video was the electrical. I kind of gave you guys a quick rundown, did some time lapses on that one, but this time I didn't do no time lapses. I didn't record, man. I just got in the zone and I did my thing, and this is what it did. So as you see, I got a hatch right here. I got my handles right there, my switch panel. Then this is gonna be that storage. So there's a light in there. So all I gotta do is seal carpet and then hinge everything. But it looks so good. I'm so happy. And the one piece of advice I'm gonna give you guys is do cardboard cutouts of everything. Do cardboard cutouts, trace. It's so easy to do the wood when you have a template. Make templates of everything, and it goes by so much faster. And all you got to do is compensate for the carpet and probably make it an 1/8 inch smaller than what it's supposed to be. And we'll see how it goes. But tonight I'm gonna seal everything, so that way tomorrow morning I can start carpeting, screw everything down, and then she's ready to go on the water. I'm gonna vacuum it up real good one last time, but man, she looks so good. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna go get that piece of wood tomorrow too to finish that up. Gotta buy a whole sheet of plywood just for that. But I'm telling you, man, it was a long time coming. That bilge pump came in too, so I gotta buy a hose for that, but I mounted it. It's in there. It's got power. But yeah, she looks good, man. I got the carpet sitting up there, so like I said, tomorrow I'll seal it. I'll kind of probably try and do time lapses of that stuff, but for the most part, man, I'm just trying to knock this out. I want to go fishing. My rods are sitting over there, trolling motor sitting right there. I got the Mercury sitting right there, you know, so I got everything. Trolling motors over there. I got my poles. We're ready. I just wanted to get it done. I'm exhausted. I've been working on it, taking breaks, but I finally got it done. So I'll let you guys know how the rest of it goes. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'm gonna try and make a short video of this, and that way maybe you guys can get inspired to do this yourself. If I could do it with a boot on and a broken leg, you guys can do it too. I mean, like I said, for me, I just had to take breaks every once in a while, but I just couldn't go too hard, but I knocked it out, so I mean, it's whatever. Yeah, so let me give you guys a tour. First of all, I'm gonna upgrade this motor. It's a Mercury 7.5. It was enough power when it was just an aluminum boat, but I'm sure now it's not going to be enough. But I got the Lowrance Hook 7. That's all hooked up. Everything's wired in. So you guys know I got my lights, my little cup holder and stuff. Right here's my gas tank. I got to get hinges for this. I haven't put hinges on it, but I just put little pull tabs for now until my latches come in. Like I said, I'm trying to go fishing, guys, and you know, got a little storage, got my anchor and that, and this one's got another little storage compartment, another little storage compartment, live well, you guys know about that. Got my pumps on the other side. Over here, got the trolling motor all hooked up, so this is all ready to go. And then I got another hat right here, got life jackets and stuff in there. That one opens up pretty good. That one's kind of worn in, but I got a breaker switch right here, trip it, and trolling motor doesn't turn on, as you guys will see. Then if I flip it back, boom, turns on. Pop the switch, so that's good. But yeah, man, I mean, she's good to go, guys. I got all my pumps right here for my live well. Boom. Got some holes drilled on the side of the boat, the intake and the outflow. But can't wait to get her on the water, man. But I just wanted to make a short little video for you guys, let you guys see that it is done. I will be fishing. I'm going to start shooting content ASAP, man. Get you guys some fresh content. But, you know, like, subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I know I broke my leg and I threw like a whole wrench into the situation. But I told you guys I was going to finish it. I was going to get it done as soon as my leg got better. And I did, man. It took me about a good week and a half of just, my leg was swelling up. I had to take some Norcos to ease the pain while I got it done, but we toughed it out. I did it, and now it's just time to relax and enjoy it. Everything's wired in. It's all good to go. I just got to get a 1 1/8 inch hose for the bilge pump. Once I get that, she's all set. But I just put fresh gas in the tank. Motor's ready to go. I haven't got the motor out and started, but I mean, she's been good to me, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna run. I just gotta put some stabilizer in it for the little bit of fuel that was left in there, but she's good to go. So next time I see you guys, I'll be out on the water, man. Thank you for watching.